Hari Om. Hello everyone, I am Sri Jyoti. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is of class 11 chapter 5 linear inequality. In previous classes we have already studied that linear equations in one variable and two variables, and also studied that how to translate some statements to equations and equations to statements. And it is always not possible to translate all the statements to equations. Okay, for example, there are more than 5 members in her family. More than 5 members, not equal. Okay, so there are more than 5 members in her family. See, how can we write? Let x be the number of members in her family. Okay, then we can write x greater than 5. It's not equal. So this sentence, it cannot be right in equation. Okay, x greater than 5. Okay, another example. Sum of two brothers. Okay, sum of the age of two brothers is greater than 5. Okay, greater than 10. If A is the age of one brother and if B is that of another brother, then we can write A plus B greater than 10. Or if it is less than 10, A plus B less than 10. It is one inequality. Okay, this sentence, it cannot be right in equation. Okay, so these are the examples of inequality. For example, 5 greater than 8. Okay, inequality. 8 less than 7. Okay, then 10 greater than 5. So these are the inequalities. Now here we will study how to solve inequality. Okay, here we cannot find the exact values of x. Here we will find the range of x, where x is lying or where x is lying in number line. That we will solve here. Okay, let us take one example. Here, solve 6x greater than 24. Okay, one inequality is given. 6x greater than 24. So here we will solve this inequality, okay, with some rules. Okay, you don't worry about the rules as equations. Okay, we can solve this as equations. So here 6x greater than 24. Here we will find the range of x, not exact values of x. In exact values, x means it should be equal. Okay. Here we will find the range of x, where x is lying. Okay. Now let us see. Here in left side 6x. Okay. To find the range of x, we have to make this x, okay, with the coefficient 1. To make that, what we have to do? We have to cancel this 6. How to cancel? We can multiply by 6 and divide by 6. Okay, so that we will get x here, right? So here, first step, 6x, okay, we will multiply 1 by 6, okay, both the sides. Okay, we will multiply both the sides by 1 by 6, or we will divide throughout by 6. Okay, so that we will get x coefficient 1. Okay, so 6x into 1 by 6 greater than 26 into 1 by 6. Okay, it is the rule. The rule as same as equations. Okay, so 6x into 1 by 6, 6 cancelled. X greater than 26 divided by 6, 4. Okay, so here we have got x greater than 4. As I mentioned, here we cannot find the exact values of x. Here we will find the range of x, where x is lying in number line. Okay, so here x greater than 4. That means, see, suppose it is the number line. Here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. up to minus infinity. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. So here x greater than 4 means x greater than 4 from here. Okay. And one more condition. See here, if it is given, okay, x is a natural number. If x is a natural number, then how can we write the solution? See here, x greater than 4 means from 4 to infinity. So we can write it as x belongs to, not a closed interval, open interval, because here it is not equal. Okay, x only greater than 4. If it is x greater than or equal to 4, we can write closed interval. Okay, it is open interval 4 to infinity, isn't it? Now, if it is a natural number, we can write same thing, right? 4 to infinity. And if it is x is an integer, we can write 4 to infinity. Okay, x belongs to 4 to infinity because x greater than 4. If it is less than 4, we can write these negative values in integer. Okay, so let us solve some more problems so that you will understand quickly. Four x minus 2 less than 8. Okay, here 4x minus 2 less than 8. So solve for x minus 2 less than 8 means we will find the range of x where x is lying. Okay, now here see, as I mentioned first problem, okay, here we have to make left side only x. Okay, x with the coefficient 1. For that, what to do? See, we have to cancel 1 by 1. First cancel minus 2. Okay, how to cancel minus 2? By adding 2, isn't it? So adding 2 on both sides. So 4x minus 2, we will add 2 on both sides so that we can cancel this minus 2. Right? Okay, so 4x. So now left side become 4x less than 10. Okay, that is x less than, okay, one more row. Okay, so here we have to make the coefficient of x is 1, right? So for that, what we have to do? We have to divide. Okay, here 4x, to cancel 4, we have to divide throughout by 4. Okay, throughout by 4 means we have to divide 4 on both sides. Okay, that is 4x divided by 4 less than 10 divided by 4. Okay, so that we will get x coefficient 1. Now x less than 10 by 4. X less than 10 by 4. Okay, now here if the condition is given, if x is a natural number, how to write? What are the values of x? If x is a natural number, see it is nothing but 2 point something, isn't it? 4 2s are 8, 2 point something. So if x is a natural number, natural numbers means all numbers, natural numbers means starting from 1 to infinity, right? So here x less than 2 point something. So x will be only 1 and 2, isn't it? See, if it is a number line, it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. up to infinity. Here 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. Here we have got what is the range of x? X less than 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is nothing but 2 point something. Okay, greater than 2. Okay, so here if x is a natural number, okay, in natural number, set of natural numbers, 0 is not including. Okay, so set of natural numbers means from 1 to infinity. Okay, so here x is less than 2 point something. So less than 2 point something. So here the only two numbers, that is 1 and 2. Okay, so x values are 1 and 2. If x is an integer, what are the values of x? What are the possible values of x? X less than 2 point something. So x less than integers, set of integers, all the negative values are included, right? Therefore, we can write x belongs to minus infinity to 2. Isn't it? Because all the minus values are included in integers. Okay, integers means natural numbers, that is positive values, that is 1 to infinity, and 0 and negative values, right? So here our range is, we have got by solving x less than 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is nothing but 2 point something. So x less than 2 point something. Okay. So if x is an integer, it is less than. So from left side, all the values from here. Okay. So that we can write what are the values of x. X belongs to minus infinity to 2. Okay. If x is an integer. If x is a natural number, x are 1 and 2. Okay, x values are 1 and 2 itself. Let us take next one. Two into 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than or equal to 6 into x minus 2. Okay, here also. So remember what we have to make? We have to make, first of all you have to think that we have to make x, only x on left side. Okay, only x on left side. X with coefficient 1. Okay, so for that we have to remove all other numbers. Okay, so here first of all let us remove minus 10. For that, how to remove? For that, add 10 on both sides. Okay. So 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 plus 10 less than or equal to 6 into x minus 2 plus 10. Okay. Here this one we can expand it. 6x minus 6 into 2, 12 plus 10. Okay, because see here x should not be there. Okay, all the x, we should take this x to left side. Okay, so only x should be on left side. Okay, so if x term is there, we have to take it on left. Okay, or we have to cancel it. Now 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 plus 10 cancelled, less than or equal to 6x minus 12 plus 10 minus 2. Isn't it? So next, let us expand this one so that we can cancel numbers. 4x plus 6 less than or equal to 6x minus 2. Now here, next step, let us cancel 6. Okay, we have to make x on left side. Okay, only with the coefficient 1. Okay, so that we have to cancel 6 first. Okay, for that we will add. Okay, we will subtract. We will subtract 6 on both sides. That is 4x plus 6 minus 6 less than or equal to 6x minus 2 minus 6. Isn't it? So that we will get here 0. Right? 6 will be cancelled. So 4x, it is cancelled, less than or equal to 6x minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. Next what to do? See here 6x is there on right side. Here we have to remove x coefficient, not x terms. Okay, not coefficient, x terms. So we have to remove this 6x. Okay, so x terms should be removed on right side. So for that we have to subtract 6x on both sides. Isn't it? So that this 6x will be removed. Okay, so 4x What to do? Next step is we have to remove this, cancel this 6x. For that, subtracting. Okay, subtracting 6x on both sides. Okay, so 4x minus 6x less than or equal to minus 8. Now, what is 4x? Okay, I will write this step minus 6x minus 8 minus 6x. Okay, we have subtracted 6x on both sides so that this 6x will be cancelled. Okay, so here what will be on left side? 4x minus 6x minus 2x less than or equal to 6x cancelled minus 8. Okay, now here see we have to make x, only x with the coefficient 1 on left side, isn't it? So here 2x is there. Okay, 2x, so we have to cancel these 2. So divide 2 on both sides. Okay, so minus 2x divided by 2 less than or equal to minus 2 divided by 2. That is minus x less than or equal to minus 4. Okay, now here see we have got minus x. It should be plus, right? So again we have to cancel this minus. See, for that you should be remember, see we know that 3 is less than 5. Okay, 3 is less than 5. So what about minus 3 minus 5? What will be the inequality? Minus 3, see in our number line we know that minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. See here when it is approaching right side, see numbers are increasing, isn't it? In right side numbers are increasing, that means minus 1 is greater than minus 2, isn't it? Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Minus 3 is greater than minus 4. So minus 3 is greater than minus 5, isn't it? 0 is greater than minus 1, isn't it? So here we know that minus 3 is greater than minus 5. Okay, so 3 is less than 5, then minus 3 is greater than minus 5. So when we multiply minus on inequality, okay, both the sides of inequality, so the inequality will be changed. Okay, so remember when you multiply minus, okay, minus or minus 1 on both sides in inequality, the inequality will be changed. That is, how can we write? We can write it as x greater than or equal to 4. Okay, now minus is cancelled. Okay, because we multiplied minus on both sides and inequality is changed. Here less than or equal to, now it become greater than or equal to. Okay, so minus x less than or equal to minus 4, x greater than or equal to 4. It is the best example. Remember, 3 is less than 5, so minus 3 greater than minus 5. 7 is greater than 4, so minus 7 is less than minus 4. Isn't it? So here, what is the range of x? X greater than or equal to 4. X greater than or equal to 4. So if x is a natural number, we can write x values are 4, 5, 4 is included. 4 is included. Why? Because inequality is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Okay, so 4 is included. If it is only greater than, 4 will not be included. Okay, starting from 5. Now here we have got x greater than or equal to 4. Therefore, 4 is included. Okay, so x values are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. up to infinity. Because x greater than or equal to 4. If x is a natural number, x values are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. up to infinity. How can we write it in ordered pair? X belongs to Now here it is closed interval, closed bracket. Okay. So closed bracket 4 to infinity. Okay. Then if x is an integer, same thing, right? If x is an integer too, the same values. X belongs to 4 to infinity. Okay. Integer means whole numbers, right? With 0 and negative numbers. But here negative numbers will not be included, right? Because x is greater than or 4. Okay, x is greater than or equal to 4. Therefore, x belongs to closed interval 4 to infinity. Next question, solve 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5 greater than x by 4. So here, see, our aim is to be make x on left side with coefficient 1. Okay. For that, see, we have to remove these denominators. Okay. To remove denominators, we have to make the denominator same by taking LCM. Okay. So let us take the LCM. Here 3 and 5, LCM is 15. So multiply by 5 here, multiply by 3 here. Okay. So 5 into 5x minus 2 minus of 3 into 7x minus 3 divided by 15 greater than x divided by 4. Okay. So here let us expand this one. 5 into 5, 25x minus 10 minus 3 into 7, 21x, and multiply this minus with the two terms. Okay. So first term and second term. So this will become minus into minus plus. So plus 9 divided by 15 greater than x divided by 4. Okay. Now here let us cancel this 15 by multiplying 15 on both sides. Okay. So here during exam you no need to write all the steps. Okay. You can jump to next step after cancelling the 15. Okay. So here 15, we will write 15 here and multiply 15 here. Okay. So this step we can skip. Or see, if you don't understand, I will write. Okay. So otherwise you will be confused. So here we have to cancel this 15 by multiplying 15 on both sides, isn't it? So let us multiply 15 into 25x. See here, let us make it smaller, reduce it. 25x minus 21x is 4x. Minus 10 plus 9 plus 1, sorry, minus 1. Okay, minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. It is greater than 15 is here. Okay, divided by 15 greater than x divided by 4 into 15. Okay, now it is cancelled. Okay, see, during exam you can skip this step. Okay, after you can write after cancelling 15. 15 cancelled, so 4x minus 1 greater than 15x divided by 4. See here also, here we have to cancel x terms, right? So we have to cancel x terms. Before that, let us cancel denominator. Okay, so to cancel denominator, okay, before that, okay, cancel this denominator. To cancel this 4, multiply by 4 on both sides. Okay, so 4 into 4x minus 1, okay, greater than 15x divided by 4 into 4. Okay, we multiplied 4 on both sides so that this 4 will be cancelled. Okay, see this step also no need to write. Okay, during exam, see, because you don't have enough time to write, therefore no need to, you can skip this step. Okay, so here 4 into 4, 16x, okay, minus 4 greater than, here 4 cancelled, so 15x. Then next we have to remove this minus 4, okay, because we have, our aim is to be make x on left side, only x. Okay, so let us cancel this by adding 4 on both sides. 16x minus 4 plus 4 greater than 15x plus 4. Isn't it? Added 4 on both sides. See, this step also you can skip. Okay, directly you can write 15x, take this minus 4 right side as in same as in equations. Okay, so here 16x greater than 15x plus 4. Now, what is the next step? See here, we have to clear it, right? On right side. Right side, we have to remove x terms. We have to cancel x terms. See here, let us multiply, subtract minus 15x on both sides. So that minus 15x plus 16x greater than 4. 15x plus 4 minus 15x. Okay, see here, next you will write this step also, no need to write on during exam. Okay, so because see here, direct you can write out direct. See 15x, take 15x here left side, so that you will get x. Okay, so same as in equations. Okay, so to understand, I am writing all the steps. Minus 15x plus 16x, x greater than, it is cancelled, so x greater than 4. Okay, directly here you can write this one. Okay, you can skip this step. So x greater than 4. Okay, we have got x greater than 4. Not equal, right? Okay, x greater than 4. So what is the solution? So x can be, if x is a natural number, x is 4, 5, 6, not 4, okay? Here no equal, so we can start from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. up to infinity because x greater than 4. Okay? In number line, how to represent in number line? Suppose it is the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. up to minus infinity. Okay. So here, see, if you are asking to represent in number line, see how to represent x greater than 4. See from here. Okay. So you just make it dark. Okay. Up to infinity. Or writing in ordered pair, you can write x belongs to 4 to infinity. Okay, here open interval because the exact value 4 is not included. Okay, because here no equal. Only strict inequality greater. Okay, so x greater than 4. So x belongs to 4 to infinity. If x is an integer, what about the solutions? See, x integer, same solution. X belongs to 4 to infinity. Negative values will not be included because x greater than 4. Okay. So in number line, it is the solution. Okay. The solutions are lying here. Okay. Let us go to next question. Solve 2x plus 3 divided by 5 minus 2 less than 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5. Okay. So here we will find the range of x by solving this one. So here, see, first of all, let us remove this one. Okay, or taking LCM. Okay, let us remove denominator first. Okay, by taking LCM. So here, first step will be 2x plus 3. Take LCM so that this 2 will become 10. Okay, 5 into 2, 10. So here 5 less than 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5. See here, on both sides 5 is there, right? See, when we cancel this 5, we will multiply 5 on both sides. And when we cancel this 5, we multiply 5 on both sides. So here rules are same as equations. Okay, inequality rules are same as equations. So in equations we will cancel this one, right? So here also we can cancel this 5. So directly you can write to next step. Okay. So 2x plus 3 minus 10 is equal to, sorry, not equal, inequality less than 3x minus 6. 3x minus 3 into 2, 6. Okay. Then, so next step is cancelling this minus 10. Okay. 2x plus 3 minus 10 is 2x minus 7 less than 3x minus 6. Okay, see here, next we will cancel this minus 7 by adding 7 on both sides. Okay, so write next step, skip that step. Okay, writing plus 7 on both sides, skip that step and write another step. Okay, so here directly go to next step, 2x. Okay, I will write all the steps, otherwise you will be confused. Okay, so 2x minus 7. To cancel this minus 7, add plus 7. Okay, add 7 on both sides. 7 less than 3x minus 6 plus 7. Okay, added 7 on both sides so that this minus 7 will be cancelled. Okay, so 2x minus 7 plus 7 less than 3x minus 6 plus 7. So, okay, here during exam no need to write this step. Okay, you can skip directly jump to next step. Okay. So here 2x, it is cancelled, less than 3x plus 1, minus 6 plus 7 plus 1. Next, here see, look at right side. Right side 3x is there, we have to cancel x terms on right side. So by subtracting minus 3x on both sides, okay, minus 3x. So 2x minus 3x less than 3x plus 1 minus 3x. Okay, so here 2x minus 3x is minus x less than 3x minus 3x cancelled 1. So here we have got minus x less than 1. Okay, we need x terms on left side, x with the coefficient 1. Okay, so here minus is there, we have to cancel this minus by multiplying minus on both sides. So when we multiply minus on both sides in inequality, the inequality will be changed. Okay, so here the x will be x greater than minus 1. Okay, inequality changed to greater. See, initially it was less than, minus x less than 1. So multiplied minus 1 both sides. So it will become x greater than minus 1. Okay. So here we have got the range of x is x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1. In number line 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Here x greater than minus 1. So from here, okay, x greater than minus 1. Okay, so how to write? In number line, if x is a natural number, this minus value is not included, right? So if x is a natural number, the solution will be from here. Okay, from 1 to infinity. Okay, if x is a natural number, okay, where x will be lying from here, okay, 1 to infinity. In ordered pair, we can write it as x belongs to, okay, you can write closed interval, 1 will be included because x greater than minus 1 from here, right, starting from here itself. So closed interval, sorry, x belongs to closed interval 1 to infinity. Okay, then if x is an integer, minus values are including, isn't it? So minus 1 values means minus 1 will not include. Okay, so here we can write x belongs to minus 1 to infinity. 0 is including, right? So open interval minus 1 to infinity. So how to represent in number line? If x is a natural number, you make dark this one, okay, from 1 to infinity. Okay, if x is a real number, integer, if x is an integer, you can mark from here, okay, here to infinity.